Let's begin with the eighth question. They have given 3 cot A is equal to 4. The same type. What you need to do, the first step is make it as a ratio. That is, send this 3 that side 4 by 3. So this cot A formula will be adjacent by opposite. Adjacent side of A will be AB and opposite side will be BC. AB by BC is 4 by 3. So AB equal to 4k, BC equal to 3k. So you have to draw the figure ABC. You can draw as you wish. Okay, but put theta in the place of A. Since everything is in A, no, you have to write theta in place of A, and accordingly you just take cot A is opposite, adjacent by opposite, just substitute, and you got AB and BC as 4k and 3k. AC you need to find out using the Pythagoras theorem. If you use the Pythagoras theorem, I am ending up with AC as 5k. Okay, just do it by yourself. And after doing this, what you need to find out, you need to check, that is, if LHS equal to RHS. Okay, for finding LHS you need tan A. For finding RHS you need cos A and sin A, right? So what is tan A? So this we got AC as 5k, right? So tan A will be opposite by adjacent. So 3 by 4 you will get, right? So once you get tan, and next is sine and cos we need. Sine is opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5k. And cos will be adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5k, right? So you just substitute the values and you got the tan, sine, cos values. Now take the LHS. 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Just substitute the tan value, which is 3 by 4, right? So substitute 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole square. Okay, so just 1 minus 9 by 16, cross multiply it, you'll end up with 7 by 25. And for cos square A minus sin square A, what is cos square A? This is 4 by 5. So cos is 4 by 5, sin is 3 by 5. So if you want to square it, you just square this and calculate, you end up with the 7 by 25. So can you see LHS equal RHS? So hence proved that given question is true, like LHS equal RHS. Ninth question. Let's begin with the ninth question. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3. So tan A is 1 by root 3, that is opposite side by adjacent side. So A is the theta here. So place the A theta. Opposite will be BC and adjacent will be AB. So BC by AB equal 1 by root 3. So BC equal to 1k, right? That is, you take it as k. AB is root 3k. Now use the Pythagoras theorem to find the AC, right? So apply Pythagoras theorem to find the AC. Once you got the other side AC, you need to find out sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. That is, sin A you have to place theta in the A. For cos C you have to place theta in the C. Okay. I am getting the AC value as 2k. Now I am going to, like, I have all three sides values, right? So to find sin A, what is sin A? This is A, right? A is placed opposite side by hypotenuse. So k by 2k, which is 1 by 2. And next cos C, right? So for C it is theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse. C's adjacent will be k, hypotenuse will be 2k. So 1 by 2. Next cos A is, you have to take this place as theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse, cos A. So root 3k by 2k, which is root 3 by 2. Next is sin C. Sin C means opposite by hypotenuse. Sin C's opposite side is root 3k. Hypotenuse is 2k. So root 3 by 2, right? So you got all sin A cos A sin C. So for the first problem, you have to sin A cos C means you have to multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Just substitute the values and do the calculation. You are getting 1. And next one is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A is what? Root 3 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A is 1 by 2, sin C is root 3 by 2. Just substitute and get the, given that in triangle PQR right angled at Q. So right angled at Q, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. So given that if you add these two sides, PR plus QR, that is 25 centimeter and PQ value is 5 centimeter given. You need to find sin P, cos P and tan P. So P is the theta now. So just write down the given data, and from here, no, I am changing one term in terms of other using the substitution method. So QR I am writing it as 25 minus PR. Okay. So after this, use the Pythagoras theorem as usual. PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR is, you just keep it as it is. PQ is 5 centimeter. QR, I'm changing, I have changed QR in terms of PR, right? Just write down this value, 25 minus PR the whole square. This looks like A minus B the whole square formula. So 5 square is 25 and I'm expanding A minus B the whole square. A square is 25 square, B square is PR square minus 2AB. Minus 2 into A is 25, B is PR. PR square will get cancelled. Now if you send this PR square that side, PR square minus PR square, which is 0 in the left hand side. So here 25 square is 625 minus 50 PR. So if you solve, no, 625 plus 25 is 650 and minus 50 PR, I'm sending that side, so plus 50 PR. So you'll be getting PR value as 13. Once you get PR, we have we have derived QR as 25 minus PR, right? So 25 minus 13 will be 12. So QR is 12 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter, and PQ is given as 5 centimeter, right? So you need to find sin P, cos P, tan P, right? You just using these three values find out sin P, cos P, and tan P. This you do it by yourself. Okay. Next question, 11th question is state true or false. So you need to say it is true or false. First question, value of tan A is always less than 1. Is it true? Can you check out the trigonometry table? Take the trigonometry table. Can you see that tan 45 is 1? Is it less than 1? No, right? Tan 60, if you take it, is root 3. Root 3 is greater than 1. So which is root 3 value is 1.73, which is greater than 1. So the given statement is false. So tan is always less than 1 is given, but it is not like that. Tan 45 is 1 and tan 60 is greater than 1. So it is false. Next one, secant is 12 by 5 for some angle of A. Is it true or false? You know the secant formula, hypotenuse by adjacent, right? Always hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides, right? So can you see hypotenuse is greater here? So 12 is greater than 5, so you can say it is true. And cos is the abbreviation of cosecant. No, cos is the abbreviation of cosine A. Cos, you call it as cosine A, right? It is false. Cot is the product of cot and A. No, cot is not a product. You call that cot A as cotangent of A. So it is false. Okay. Sin theta is 4 by 3. Is it true or false? You know sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, right? Can you see denominator is hypotenuse, but denominator is less than the numerator. Always hypotenuse should be greater, right? So this given statement is false.